Yung dalawang conflicting rules yan. Merong rules of procedure sa impeachment trial na nung panahon namin na ako majority leader noon eh. At doon nakasaad na shall continue the session until final judgment is rendered. Okay? Shall continue until final judgment is rendered. So either nag-adjourn o hindi ang Senado or ang Kongreso, dapat tuloy ang impeachment. Okay? Yun yung laman ng rules of impeachment ng Senate. Okay? Ngayon, doon sa rules ng Senate as a legislative body, merong conflicting. Ang sinasabi doon, all matters and procedures and proceedings shall terminate upon expiration of one Congress. On June 13, the 19th Congress will expire. So, conflicting ito ngayon. Ano mangyayari? 100% somebody will take this to court. Because this is a justiciable issue. No, being a justiciable issue, pwedeng i-take up talaga ng Supreme Court yan. Whether they may continue or not. So, kung ang problema dyan, pag nagdesisyon ng korte ng hindi pwedeng mag-continue, then sayang lahat ang gagawin ng Senate ngayon. Papunta sa June 13. So, talagang dapat yan malaman na maaga. Ako, rules-based yung thinking ko dyan. And then, 20th Congress ang patak niyan. So, right now, that is the situation.